Welcome to the installation guide for Fishbone Offroad's high lift jack mount for Toyota's 2005 and newer Tacoma. Step 1. Open your vehicle's bed and begin removing its trail rail caps on the side you wish to install it on. Insert the included 2 T-nuts into the rail and slide it to where you wish to install the brackets. Step 2. With the included hex bolts and washers, loosely secure the mounts to each T-nut. Decide where you would like to secure your jack and slide the brackets to size. With a 19mm socket, tighten down the hex bolts. Step 3. Insert the 2 included carriage bolts into the back of the brackets and begin securing the jack with the 2 included wing nuts. Ensure they're tightened, and you're done.